Hello everybody. I am going to play the Tale of Foods. I'm going to fight this awesome boss. This is only the second time I have ever fought this second boss. I think. I'm not sure, I forgot. So I have already set up a team. Set up a team. So these are my, so let me just show you. These are all, maybe I shouldn't mess with it because I've already set it up. Okay, I have already set it up. These are my gears and these are my characters on my team, and let's try this and see how much damage I can do to this boss. Okay, I actually will be doing automatic fighting here. Oh, I forgot to turn up the volume, sorry. Okay, that's a little bit too loud. 灯会圣地，不得无礼。现在正是占领市场的好时机。沉迷于眼前的虚荣，在笑语中落入幻境吧。 灯会圣地，不得无礼。现在正是占领市场的好时机。灯会圣地，不得无礼。 沉迷于眼前的虚荣，在笑语中落入幻境吧。释放！我要释放！收下！现在正是占领市场的好时机。灯会圣地，不得无礼。释放！我要释放！收下！我都要掌控。毫无失误。 尽善尽美的换戏表演。Okay, let's see how much damage and let's see my ranking. Okay, let's see how much damage I got and how much reward I can get. What is this? Okay. Okay, cool, awesome. It looks like I did a lot of damage to this boss, and let's see how much I rank here. 36. That's pretty high. Let's see who are the other people who ranked higher than me. I'm curious who ranked higher than me because this game is nearing its end, because this game will probably get shut down sometime at the end of this year, maybe. because I don't see this game surviving until next year. So let's see who scored higher than me. Most of the people have already left this game. Most of the players have already left this game. Okay, let's see what. Okay, there's something that I forgot to do. This is my profile. And I totally forgot to share with everybody my profile. So let's share with everybody my profile. Let's share the fund to everybody. These are the characters that I am currently saving. I'm not sure if I should keep on using Buddha Jump Over the Wall. For assistance to other people. Let's see if there's anybody else who. Let's see if there are anybody else who I can use. Apparently there's not a lot of people who I can use. Maybe I should just keep on using the Buddha Jump Over the Wall then. Or maybe I can use someone else. I used to use Beijing Roast Duck. Let's use him again. Okay, that sounds good. But I need to put gear on him, otherwise I won't be much help to other people. Oops. I received a lot of help from other people's characters in the beginning of this game, so it's time that I return the favor. So I have to make sure that I put a strong character here so that I can help other people, because other people will be using my characters for support. Alrighty then. Since I changed my main character, main assisting character, maybe I should post again, because Beijing Roast Duck is legendary actually. Beijing Roast Duck is actually the most legendary of character of this game actually, other than Longjing Shrimp and Buddha Jump Over the Wall. Alrighty then. So this is my my butler for now. Okay, so anyways, I hope you enjoyed my game and I hope you like my butler. I will see you guys again later this year. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.